That's one of the pear trees in my garden, which I think I planted last year in April. It's a young tree. I had put a few grafts on that one. That was a saddle graft, which has healed nicely. It was done in April last year, and now it has grown. That's a very early ripening variety. I also, on the same tree, I did that's another variety called Pyrus communis butera, and the grafting giant has healed, and it has a very nice growth on it. Just above that, that's a bud graft which I did last year in June. That is that variety is called Bon Louise, and it has a very nice growth on it. Just above that, these two branches, this one and the one above that, they are from its original variety, William Bon Chrétien. It's a French name, not very easy to say. Then above that variety is called Saphira, and that was grafted in June as well. It has grown nicely, coming up with two nice shoots. Just above that, it is another variety called Condo. That has grown, and on the side of it, these two grafts, they are Red Williams. That's Red William. I can't see any growth, but in the middle I can spot a little bit whiteness, which looks like something is growing. But original two leaves, which were cut in half and left on the scions, they are still green. And above that, that is a Red William as well. That has come nicely with some nice growth on it. And there is another graft. That was saddle graft, Doyon du Comis. That was done on 12th of June, and it has put up a little bit growth. Now I will like to spread its canopy on the sides rather than accepting its habit of growing upward taller and taller. I would like it to spread it on the sides evenly, so that all the fruit stays within easy reach. And also, when you spread it on the sides, it is more fruit and at early stages rather than more leafy growth and late fruit. Thanks for watching.